doing here?
Putting a fiber optic
What is it for?
for the school.
For what though?
Just internet,
For what kind of internet?
e-text.
Does that have anything to do with 5G?
Yes.
So they're installing 5G here at this school? Do you know why they're doing it while all the parents are at home and nobody knows what's going on?
Well, this actually started since December last year, and this is nothing to do with what's going on or none of that.
Okay,
So-
so it's not being done behind our backs.
No.
Do you know that 5G is going to be very harmful for children and that cancer is going to skyrocket?
No.
What you're doing is going to harm a lot of children.
I hope not. I mean, I'm just a contractor for them, so
I know. A lot of us parents are very, very concerned though.
yeah.
Maybe something you might want to talk about with your chain of command or something.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.